Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. First, a big congratulations to all Bitcoin bulls. We did it. This is a historical moment. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been saying Bitcoin would break $100,000 before the end of 2024. Let's dissect the price action. From today onward, I'm officially calling the Liquidation Heatmap the cheat map, because it's like a cheat code for traders. Over the past few weeks, it has been a powerful tool to predict market maker movements. How long this will last, only time will tell. For now, let's enjoy the ride. Before breaking the $100,000 mark yesterday, Bitcoin ran up to $98,800. The heat map showed almost no short liquidity left at $100,000. This meant the highway was open for Bitcoin to pass. I posted this on X with a heat map screenshot showing no remaining short liquidity above levels we already broke in November. Just 6 hours later, Bitcoin surged past $100,000, skyrocketing to $104,600. However, funding fees on exchanges went through the roof as open interest heavily leaned toward longs. Market makers had to flush it out, which resulted in today's scam wick to $90,200. This took out almost every long position on the map. With nothing left, Bitcoin consolidated, ready for its next move. Zooming into the one-day heat map, we saw no long positions after the scam wick to $90,200. Slowly, short liquidity started building again. By evening, the pocket around $99,700 was glowing hot. I noticed the money flow rising on the 15-minute chart, followed by a green dot on the momentum wave indicator on the 1-hour chart. Knowing it was a high-risk move, I entered a long position around $98,000 and announced it on Discord. Shortly after, the price consolidated between $98,200 and $98,400 before breaking out. As we moved higher, I focused on exiting my position at $101,500, where volume peaked at $97.85 million. I set my take profit orders from $101,500 to $101,700 and fully exited. This decision was based solely on the heat map data, even though no exit signals from my strategy had triggered yet. Shortly after my exit, the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 45-minute charts confirmed sell signals. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is ranging around $101,500. This coincides with support levels from December 5th, right after breaking $104,000. Today was a fantastic trading day, and I'm keeping an eye on the heat map for the next long entry. Join my free Discord to stay updated with real-time entries and exits. Like the video if you got value from it, subscribe, and click the bell to never miss an update. And see you in the next one.